again with another video, and today I have for you this natural look. Natural, neutral, everyday, on the go kind of look. I amped it up with a little bit of lash, you know, because if I can't do color, hold on, I need something now. Like, this is for the everyday boy, girl, man, woman, whatever you are. It's an everyday kind of look, you know, quick on the go. So, Janae, this one is for you, Jen. An everyday look for you, Jen. And today I used my Nubian Palette by Juvias Place, which is fucking cute, right? It's fucking cute. Cute ass packaging. I love anything Egypt. Anything Egypt. I actually wanted a sleeve, tattoo sleeve of a whole bunch of Egypt stuff. Yeah, this is what the inside looks like. Very neutral, and it's a good everyday palette, you know, on the go. And the look I did, it's very simple. You can actually just switch out any one of these shimmers and put on your lid instead, you know. So, you want to see how I did this look? Let's go. So, as you know, we're gonna start off with our brows. Brows is what I always start off with because I have no idea. It just frames my eyes, I guess. And what I'm doing here is I'm taking a bit of concealer and I'm just gonna go around my brows. It's gonna clean them up and make them look like we just got them done, because, you know, quarantine, ain't no one doing their eyebrows unless you're doing them yourself, right? Always prime your eyes whenever you're doing eyeshadow. Here I'm using Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden. Taking this third shade right here, we're gonna put that in our crease. Now we're gonna start from like our eye socket and blend it up towards the brow bone. Now we're gonna take this yummy chocolate shade and we're gonna use that color and we're gonna put it right here in our outer crease, closer in our socket. We don't want to blend it up like we did the last color. Then we're going to go back in the palette with that first shade on our finger, and we're going to put that on our eyelid. Sometimes your fingers are the best tools, especially if you don't have nails. This is so much easier and faster. Using that crease brush with no additional eyeshadow, we're just going to use it to blend the edges. Then with this teeny tiny little brush, we're going to use that with this shade right here, and we're going to put that in our inner corner and make it pop, make it bright. It's going to make us look more awake. Taking a little bit more of that shade and we're going to put it right under our eyebrow. Alright, for now we're going to stop with the eyes and we're going to do our face. And you're going to blend out your concealer now. You don't have to use a brush. I do. Well, I just started because I used to go to work and do my makeup at 6:30 in the morning at my desk. And I definitely did not bring any brushes. I just used my fingers. Now taking some translucent powder, we're going to set everywhere on our face that we put the concealer. Now for foundation, we're going to take this powder foundation and we're going to put this all over our face, starting from the outsides, the outside perimeter, working our way to the center of our face. This right here is a bronzer by MAC called Give Me Sun. We're going to put this on our cheeks and forehead. And then we're going to do some highlighter. Now mine is broken and I'm so upset about it. But it's Champagne Pop from Becca and boom, highlight our face. Now this is our face done. And we're going to go back to the eyes, starting with this color right here that we put in our transition, and we're going to put this under our lashes. Now this is optional, you don't have to do this. I just feel it gives more definition to the eyes. Then taking that crease color with a little dab of that dark one, and we're going to put it on the outsides of our lower lash line. Doop. Now here you can curl your lashes if you want. If you do that, I don't do it all the time. And then add your mascara, whichever's your favorite. Just load it on. Then that's it. The look is pretty much done. Again, if you want, this is optional. Adding mascara to your lower lashes. Again, I just feel like it gives more definition to my eyes and makes them look more awake. Y'all see the difference? I do. More definition. That's it. Then back with that bright inner corner highlight. Pow! Look at that. We like that brightness. That's what we want. The brighter, the better. You definitely do not have to add lashes, but I am, because I am. I don't know. I think it adds to the look. You don't have to do it, like I said. And that's it. Once those lashes are on, this look is finished. Hope you like it. Subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you want to see next. And thanks for watching.